So guys, clear your browser cookies and cache. So which browser are you using? Almost method is same. Okay, like I'm using Firefox. Just click for open, then click to 3 tab and history. Okay, then clear recent history. Okay, then this is sites detail, this is cookies and cache. So guys, select the everything. Okay, so first if you want to remove the history, if this is not required, so you can check. Otherwise, if you require the history, just unchecked. Cookies, this is clear. Okay, temp file, this is also, and site history, site settings, reset your permissions, site performance, original sites, you can check. Okay, then click to clear, then close, then guys again click to open.